Camping and you got nothing to cook out there because you don't want to start a fire because you're not allowed to throw any fires on. Well, it's okay. You bring your propane machine here, your propane tank, gas and grill, flat gas and grill, of course, and check it out, guys. So if you have any questions, hit it up. Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. So if you guys are going to go out camping, this is a perfect item you could take out there. It's called Blackstone Easy Little Grill, the full flat grill, propane tank. Of course, you provide your own little one, small little versions that they sell. For how many liters it is, but we're going to find out. Put the details on the side. Easy to take apart. You disconnect this part, you connect the propane tank, and you're set pretty much. Now lifting it up, you see actually the grills themselves, so these are replaceable. These are easy to replace. They sell them at the stores, and of course there's an auto startup right there, and it does require batteries. And like I said, off and on, easy. Highlight it. We're gonna put it to use today and see what you guys think about it. Heavy weight, probably over 10 pounds to begin with. All right, so it's gonna take one person to put together. All right, let's take a look at the back. Here's where all the drippings gonna come out from, and this is easy to take off. Right, easy to come off. All the drippings come from here. All right, and make sure this is metal, so make sure you clean it out. If you can see some of the rust on it, make sure you aware. You have to oil it before you even start it up. First time starting it, make sure you burn out a little bit. Put some oil in there, let it burn out for a couple of things so the chemicals, the smell, the paint, and everything could go away. And that's about it. So if you guys have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, out.